Welcome back to the channel MG Factor. The weather report will always project more snow than what you actually get. The range will be very wide, and over here at the top of my driveway we have got about 6 to 8 inches of snow. You just finished snow blowing your driveway and it's end of the job. No way. In this video I am going to show you what to do with your snow blower after you are done using it. And be sure to stick around to the very end, because at the last two steps will definitely save you some mechanical problems and help your machine last. Stick around and welcome to MG Factor. I'm giving you the best 5 tips and tricks, and before we get going, if you are feeling the vibe, give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us and help the channel grow. Every single time I'm done with my snow blowing, there are few steps that I follow on my snow blower to maintain it and ready for the next snowstorm. Now the step number 1. For the beginners, if you see the snow blower is always running on a high speed setting, I'm going to turn the throttle down and let it cool down for about 30 seconds to a minute. Do not shut off the engine right away. This could damage engine component. Instead, take some time to cool down and bring the engine temperature down gradually. Next, I am going to dust off the snow blower with a snow brush. You could use a leaf blower as well. I assure you the next step will take care of any remaining snow. For that next step, remove the excess snow from the snow blower and inside the chute and around the exterior. Don't worry about inside the augers. It's generally not safe to mess around there. Now move the snow blower inside. If you don't keep your snow blower in a garage or a shed, wait until it was fully cooled off and then cover it. If you can pull it indoor, which I strongly recommend, you will have far less mechanical issue and wear down the road. When you pull the snow blower in the garage, roll it onto a mat or tray. As snow melts off your snow blower, it will leave rust mark on your concrete garage floor, and that will be almost impossible to remove. Also, that mat or tray will contain any moisture and prevent it from spreading all over your floor. Another step that I like to take care here is using some wooden block to elevate the front of the snow blower. It does help with the drainage at the back of the impeller housing. Now grab a space heater and point it at the center of your auger housing. Keep the cord safely out of any water on the floor. This will melt any snow and ice inside the augers. Let the space heater run for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can actually feel the heat coming out of the chute. Now here is why this is helpful. Let's say it's snowing for days and you accidentally let some snow and ice build up way back in there, the impellers. It can freeze, and when you go to turn it back on and use the impellers, everything will be frozen in place and you will break a belt. Run your heater for a bit, and when you check on it, I guarantee the snow will be melted. This space heater is not powerful, but it was bought off season from Home Depot and it gets the job done. Don't forget to unplug your space heater after you are done using it. So after about 20 minutes later, and all the snow is melted completely and we are ready. And shoot, the snow blower is nearly dry, so if you have to wait for a little bit, that's fine. Now go and grab some kind of protective spray. I have used products like WD-40, Surface Shield for years to protect my snow blower. Anything that you can apply that it creates a quick moisture barrier will help your machine to last. Now give your snow blower a quick spray interior and the exterior. Spray inside the auger housing, the impeller housing, in the back and down the shoe. This creates a non-stick coating preventing snow buildup to keep your machine running smoothly use after use. Follow these steps after every single time you use your snow blower. I assure you that your snow blower will not only work better but last a lot longer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the content. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.